Blizzard time. Man's in the house. Troll Illuminati bring y'all some good shit. All I wanna know, how y'all gonna carry it? I need some feedback. Shit. Let me know what's going on, y'all. You know, 'cause I gotta make my viewers and subscribers feel like they satisfied with my commentary. So, gotta bring y'all some good shit, like I always do. I'm about to get fucked up, get my ass back in the crib, upload this shit for y'all. This will be my intro right here, what I'm talking about right now. And y'all stay tuned. Do not get off the fucking video. This is the intro, and this is gonna be a nice little video. So stay tuned. Like I said, this is the fucking intro, y'all. The blizzards, the lizards, the gizzards, and all that good shit. But anyway, look at the video. Look at the fucking video. And make some fucking babies. All right. I want y'all to take a look at this, man. You know what I'm saying? Take a look at this blizzard out here. Goodness gracious. You know what I'm saying? God dropped the blizzard on us, baby. He dropped the blizzard on us. Oh, he dropped the blizzard on us, baby. God dropped the blizzard on us. God damn it. He dropped the blizzard on us, baby. No. People scared to come out here. I'm used to this shit. Motherfuckers, babies getting made out this motherfucker. Motherfuckers in the house making babies. See all them rug rats. March, April. You gonna see all them coming out this joint. This joint deep. Doing this video. Snowing like shit out here. It's all good though. Get this scenery. Gotta do it for Troll Illuminati. I'm a true soldier. Ain't that many soldiers out here no more. Can't deal with this shit. Oh boy. Work on the calves though. Calves burn. Shit. Motherfucker talking about he keeping a liquor store open. Ain't no one going to that damn liquor store. Shit. Nah, in this no. God damn. Look at this shit, y'all. I'm on a main fucking street on Brinkley Road, Maryland. Ain't no motherfucking cars moving. God damn. Look at this shit here. Y'all done heard of Jada Hubbards. The Janet Hubbards. And, Jana Pickett. Snoop Dogg it all, ranting and raving. On my other channel, I was bringing a lot of videos from different channels and stuff. Man, this is what I do. I had to get this. I hope y'all enjoying this. I'm gonna try to get y'all, let y'all see some scenery and shit. That's all I can do. It's snowing like bricks out this motherfucker. I love it. I love it. It don't get better. It don't get no better than this. I'm about to pull out this motherfucking vodka bottle and get fucking roasted. You know what I'm saying? Shit. Me, myself, and I. Look at that shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to get in there. I don't want to show y'all. I don't want no infringement shit going on. Yeah, that's what I'm just drinking on. Got the orange juice and shit up in there. Fuck 'em. My people's talking about the thieves come out. Shit, the motherfuckers don't got no proper gear, no proper vehicle. The motherfuckers ain't gonna be robbing nothing today. Not in this shit. Whew. Good luck to them. Shit, this motherfucker beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Everybody in the motherfucking house. Shit. Shit, walk down the street. Yeah. My crazy ass. But y'all get ain't nothing stirring around this motherfucker. At least they doing these motherfucking streets. God damn. Whew. That's what I say, folks. The Most High do what he want to do. Black History Month coming up next year. I mean, what y'all gonna do? I hope this teaches some people something. You know, because like I was telling my folks, sometimes this bring out the goodness in people. You know, a lot of people scared of this kind of stuff. You know, I was watching the news acting like this was the end of the world or a calamity or something. You know, you better get ready. You never know, man. Global warming, how the world changes throughout the millenniums and the years and the time frame. This might be the new Antarctica. Antarctica might be the new tropical paradise. You ever think about that? Shit. Yeah, man. I do some of my productions in these woods over here in my cave. This used to be all woods right here. They knocking this shit down, about to put houses up this motherfucker. Shit. So that's what it is. I had to get out here and do this publication. Cause I'm real with mines, man. I don't step in no motherfucking house. You know, I want my people to get it. You know, thanks for my supporters and my views on Troll Illuminati. My shit is always gonna come abstract and off the grips. That's how I want it. I keep it 100. I keep it pure. Like Peruvian motherfucker cocaine. Uncut. Not stomped on. So that's what it is. Motherfucker drive down here with a Lincoln Navigator. Better go on, home. Homie. Come on, homie. That's what it is. Down this jump. Doing their thing. Let them do their thing. Salt man rolling down. Shit. Let him do his thing. Shit, I might go to the motherfucking liquor store. I don't got no motherfucking money. Ain't that a bitch? I don't need nothing. You know, my love is with y'all. I don't know where y'all at, but down in Maryland, Washington, D.C., Virginia, God done dropped this bomb on, God done dropped the blizzard on us, baby. He dropped the blizzard on us. Doobity wop 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 wop. He dropped the blizzard on us, baby. He dropped the blizzard on us. Doobity wop 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 wop. You know, that's how it go. Yeah, man. He got some soldiers out here. He got one motherfucker walking up the street. Shit, I'm chilling though. Ain't no happenings, man. Get my ass back on this bench. Yeah, they salt people keep coming down here. Motherfuckers driving around. Doing their thing out here. Publication, goddammit. Gotta do mine. Snowing like, whew. Let y'all just take it on there. You know. Might walk, I'm gonna walk now. And somebody see it. Ain't no store, ain't shit open down there. All that shit dead. Just wanna be nosy and shit. As this person was going on. Walking in this shit. I think it's Migo, bro. Migo, bro, no mask. No mask down there, nothing. No store open, no mask. All closed. Yeah. Glasses, man. Man, shit. I go. Everything closed. Migo done hit me up with the info. Birds chirping. I tell you, God, I mean, this nature. I love nature. A lot of people don't love nature. That's on them. It's winter time in the DMV. I hope y'all subscribe to this channel, because this channel is about to get some more good stuff going on. So I hope y'all enjoying this. I'm happy y'all is, because I see the view count. You know, I give the best in my production I can give. Talk about sex, talk about all kind of shit. I mean, that's what it is. I'm, you know, meat and potatoes. I'm just down to earth, man. I have no racism in my soul. I want people to enjoy my publications, get what you can get out of it, and move on. I know there's a lot of shit going on in these so-called sectors of YouTube. I care two less shits about that. All I care about my channel and my audience and my viewers and the people that enjoy my commentary. Like I said, motherfuckers in the house fucking. That's what I need to be doing right now. People getting it in. But I had to come out here and sacrifice for y'all to let you know I'm not just a fucking robot behind a fucking monitor faking the funk. So I want y'all to know I'm real. Now you know. That's what it's all about, folks. I'm gonna have to sign off. I might come back, I might not. If I don't, see you when I see you.